Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 19th of March. The euro edged higher against the US dollar after dropping news of the Cyprus bailout, in which small depositors would be hit by a 6.75% tax on their deposits. The pair is currently trading above 129.45 as it looks like the markets have absorbed the news and fears of contagion to Spain and Italy have to an extent subsided. The Cypriot Parliament will vote on the measure this afternoon, and a negative vote may bring a Eurozone member closer to bankruptcy. The Australian dollar was pulled lower against the US dollar as the pair fell from a previous high of 104.05 to 103.80. Gold moved higher against the backdrop of the Cyprus bailout and a hit on depositors in a member of the Eurozone. The precious metal continues its bullish ride, trading above 1604. The GER30, which tracks Germany's 30 largest corporation, edged above 80.10. The move comes after corrections for opening lower yesterday amid news of the Cyprus bailout. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar eased from 11.50 to 10.40 as investors' fears subside and push option premium slightly lower. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 129.80. The dollar-yen pivot points at 95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 95. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.40. The sterling dollar pivot points at 150.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 150.65. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.30 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.30. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 92.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.70. The gold pivot points at 15.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 15.90. The silver pivot points at 28.56 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.56. The US 500 is at 1597 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1597. And the UK 100 is at 64.05 with a preference to enter into short positions at 64.05. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 9:30 GMT in the UK, we have the Consumer Price Index year-on-year forecast to rise by 2.8%. At 10 GMT in Europe, we have the German Zoo Economic Sentiment expected at 47.9. And at 12:30 GMT in Canada, we have the Manufacturing Sales month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.7%. An interesting pair of the day is the Euro-Swiss. The euro continued to rise against the Swiss franc, moving the pair above 122.56. The euro had opened lower on Monday's open, but recovered as fears of a bank run on Spanish and Italian banks eased. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade sim